Hello students, today we will do the topic estimating the difference. Estimate the difference to the nearest hundred. Difference means we will go for minus. That means we will find the difference to the nearest hundred. Nearest hundred means we will see the value of hundred place numbers. 809, 199, ones, tens, hundred. You see the orders, we will see the hundred place. If we will find the difference here of these numbers, that is the actual difference. That is not required here. So we will estimate the difference. So 100 place value is 8, underline 8 value. See the next number, that is 0, circle it. Now think about it, whether 0 is a strong number or a weak number. As you all know this trick, 0 is a weak number, so this number is not having power to push 8. So 8 will remain 8 and other place value number will be 0, 0. 199. Here 100 place value is 1, underline it. Next number you will circle, that is 9. Now whether 9 is a strong number or a weak number, 9 is a strong number. So 9 is having, that means 9 is having a power to push the next number. When it will push, the 1 will become here 2 and rest will be 0, 0. Now we are going to find difference. Difference, that means don't forget to write the symbol of minus. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, again 0. Here 8 minus 2, 6. 600. Estimate the difference to the nearest hundred. First you will find the estimating value to the nearest hundred of given numbers. Then you will find the difference. Here 600 is the answer. Our next topic is mixed problems. Before starting the topic, I want to introduce the main points here. If addition and subtraction are given together, we always add first, then subtract. Second one I have written here, if there are numbers enclosed in the brackets, we solve them first. Here you can see the first example I have taken for you. You just see the symbols. Both symbols are there, minus, plus. That means subtraction, addition. If subtraction and addition are given together in one equation, we choose step 1 for addition. So let's take first step. You write here step 1. First we have taken these two numbers to add. 2436 plus 1000. Why we have chosen plus first, addition first? Because when both the addition and subtraction are given together in one equation, we choose addition first. So when we will add 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. You will get this number, that is 3436. Here you will write 8325 will write same as it is. Minus will be there, minus will be minus. We add these two numbers, we get this number. You will write this number here. This is our step 2. So here you will solve step 2. You can see which one is the greater number, 8324 or 3436. This is the greater number. The greater number should be on the top. So I am writing here 8325, 3436 minus, do subtraction, 5 minus 6, Not possible. We cannot subtract the greater number from the smaller number. So 5 will borrow one number from the next number. 5 will become 15 and 2 will become 1. Now you will see 15 here. 15 minus 6, 9. Now again 1 minus 3. Not possible. So 1 will borrow one number from the next number. 1 will become 11 and 3 will become 2. 11 minus 3, 8. 2 minus 4, not possible. 2 will become 12 because 2 will take one borrow from the next number. And 8 will be 7 here. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 3, 4. 4889. Now I will write here 4889. That is the answer. For example, 7325 minus 5320. You can see here carefully that this equation is in the bracket. According to this point, if there are numbers enclosed in the bracket, we solve them first. So here we cannot see which symbol is there, minus, whether it is minus or plus. Whether we are here minus symbol or plus symbol, we will see only brackets to solve them first. So here this is our step 1. We can write here step 1. 7325 minus 5320. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 2005. You can write here 2005. Addition sign will be there only. This number will remain here only. Now this is our second step. Step 2. We'll write this 2005 plus 4218. Add it. 5 plus 8, 13. 3. 1 will be carried here. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So 6223 is the answer. Do more and more practice. Thank you.